Did you know you can learn way faster from YouTube videos without even watching them? Yep. Here's the trick. And once you try it, you'll never look at long videos the same way again. Step 1. Find a video on a topic you're interested in. Maybe it's about fashion trends, digital marketing, or the latest tech tools. For example, this one. Step 2. Go to the bottom of the video description and click Show Transcript. Then click the 3 dots and select Toggle Timestamps. Select all captions and copy them using Ctrl-C. Step 3. Paste those captions into ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool and simply ask it to summarize the video. That's it. Now, instead of watching a 30-minute video filled with intros, filler talk, and repeated points, you get the key takeaways in about 3 minutes. This is a game changer if you're a blogger, a content creator, or just trying to stay on top of trends in your niche. Let's say you run a fashion blog. You can scan through 5 or 10 competitor videos in under an hour and quickly spot which topics are trending, what your audience is engaging with, and where you can add your own twist. No more wasting time. No more sifting through fluff. Just pure insights. And if you want to take this even further, check out my other video on how to scrape YouTube captions in bulk. It's perfect if you want to analyze dozens of videos at once without doing it manually. Smarter learning starts here.